cos alpha plus I sin alpha into cos beta plus I sin beta. The students can first apply the transformation formula here. Cos alpha plus cos beta is to cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2, and for sin alpha plus sin beta, 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into multiplying both sides by 7, or we can think like this: 14 is equal to 2 into 7, therefore pi by 2 equals 70. Therefore 3 theta is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 theta.
Thank you for watching this video.
Good morning viewers, welcome to B2S Academy, welcome to my maths class. I am today continuing the topic trigonometrical ratios of submultiple angles. First of all, I shall work out few more sums on the topic. Then I shall discuss. First sum is this one: to prove product of these factors is equal to -1. For that, I first find this product. I first multiply this, then I take the real parts together. Then the imaginary parts. There we have used I square equal to -1. Already students, learners have learned. Then this is cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha. I have got the product cos alpha plus I sin alpha into cos beta plus I sin beta, that is equal to cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta. This is very interesting result. We shall apply this concept here. Therefore, LHS is equal to, first I consider the first two expressions: cos pi by 10 plus 2 pi by 10 plus I sin pi by 10 plus 2 pi by 10. Actually, where alpha equal to pi by 10 and beta equal to 2 pi by 10. Therefore, the product will be of this form: cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta. That means cos 2 pi by 10 plus I sin 3 pi by 10. Taking the product of these two, we first get this one, then the remaining expressions. Now again we follow, apply this one, cos alpha plus I sin alpha into cos beta plus I sin beta. Therefore, result will be uh, 6 pi by 10. Then we apply thus we get finally this one. On simplification, this one will be cos 10 pi by 10 plus I sin 10 pi by 10 means cos pi plus I sin pi. Now cos pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0. Therefore, I into 0. The first thing is that if we multiply cos alpha plus I sin alpha and cos beta plus I sin beta, we get this result. Keeping this in mind, we can also skip these intermediate steps and write the final steps directly, this one, and get the value minus 1. Actually, in competitive exam, you can skip all these intermediate steps and get the result directly. The second sum of one is this one. Cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to cos 3 pi by 7. Sin alpha plus sin beta equal to sin 3 pi by 7. First, we note the right hand terms. This is cos 3 pi by 7, sin 3 pi by 7. If we square and add, then right hand side will be 1, and that is the clue. Squaring and adding the given relations, we get cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to cos square 3 pi by 7 plus sin square 3 pi by 7. On the left hand side, we get cos square alpha from this one, and from this one sin square alpha plus cos square beta plus sin square beta, then 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta is equal to 1. One thing, uh, students can first apply the transformation formula here. Cos alpha plus cos beta is 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2, and for sin alpha plus sin beta 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. Then squaring and adding. You can proceed also. Therefore 1 plus 1 plus 2, taking 2 common, we get cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, means cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Therefore 2 cos alpha minus beta is equal to minus 1, or cos of alpha minus beta is equal to minus half. Now we have got cos of alpha minus beta, that means 2 into alpha minus beta by 2. Therefore 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus half. Therefore 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1 minus half, from which therefore cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1/4. Therefore cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1/4, from which we can also obtain the value of sin square alpha minus beta by 2 as well as tan square alpha minus beta by 2. Therefore sin square alpha minus beta by 2 will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Therefore tan square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to sin square alpha minus beta by 2 by cos square alpha minus beta by 2, 3 by 4 by 1 by 4 is equal to 3. This is actually extra part. Students who are interested, you can note down this. Now this sum, we have to show that sin pi by 14 will be a root of this equation. Now general concept is, if the root is given, we put that value in the variable and calculate and see whether it is satisfying the equation. But in this case, it will be troublesome. For that, you will see how I solve this one. Let pi by 14 is equal to theta. Therefore, seven theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, 3 theta is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 theta. Pi by 14 theta, therefore 7 theta, multiplying both sides by 7, or we can think like this: 14 is equal to 2 into 7, therefore pi by 2 equals 7 theta. Therefore 3 theta is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 theta, or 4 theta can be expressed as pi by 2 minus 3 theta. Sin is there, we can take sine of both sides, therefore sine 4 theta, I am taking this one. Also this can be taken. Sine 4 theta is equal to sine pi by 2 minus 3 theta, or 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta is equal to, this one is cos 2 theta, or 4 sine theta cos theta into 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now I put the formula for cos 3 theta, 4 cos 3 theta minus 3 cos theta, or 4 sine theta 1 minus 2 sine square theta is equal to, I take cos theta common, 4 cos square theta minus 3. Here theta equal to pi by 14, therefore cos theta is non-zero. I can divide both sides by cos theta. Now I simplify this and take all the sine terms on the left side, or 4 sine theta minus 8 sine cube theta is equal to 4 1 minus sine square theta minus 3 1 minus 4 sine square theta, or 8 sine cube theta minus 4 sine square theta minus 4 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0. I have arranged, see, taking on same side 8 sine cube theta, 4 sine square theta minus 4 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0. You see, from which we conclude, which implies eight x cube minus 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0, taking sine theta equal to x. Therefore, sine theta, that is sine pi by 14, is a root of the equation 8x cube minus 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. We have solved in this way, taking pi by 14 equal to theta, from which 7 theta equal to pi by 2. Then I have expressed p theta is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 theta, or 4 theta equal to pi by 2 minus 3 theta. I have taken this one. Actually, if you take this one, it will be longer. time taking, that is why I have taken this one. Then sin 4 theta will be equal to sine of pi by 2 minus 3 theta. Then I have applied the formula of sin 4 theta as well as of cos 3 theta and proceeded in this way, and finally I have got this one 8 sin cube theta minus 4 sin square theta minus 4 sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. Now taking sin theta equal to x, this becomes this one, from which we conclude that sin theta, that is sin pi by 14, is a root of the equation this.